experiencing issues adding your AirPods Pro 3 to Find My? This problem usually stems from pairing difficulties, Apple ID conflicts, or iCloud sync errors. First, ensure your iPhone or iPad is running the latest iOS version 18.3 or later. A bug in iOS 18.2 caused pairing failures for some users, which has since been addressed. Make sure your AirPods are properly paired via Bluetooth. Open the case near your unlocked iOS device and follow the on-screen prompts to connect. Crucially, verify that you're signed into the same Apple ID on both your iPhone, iPad, and your AirPods. Also, confirm that Find My is enabled in Settings, Your Name, Find My iPhone, iPad. If your AirPods still aren't showing up in Find My, try these fixes. Start by resetting your AirPods. Place them in the charging case, close the lid, and hold the setup button on the back for 15 seconds. The status light should flash amber, then white. If that doesn't work, check for firmware updates for your AirPods. Go to Settings, Bluetooth, select your AirPods, and check the version. Update if outdated firmware causes issues. As a last resort, sign out of iCloud on your iPhone or iPad and sign back in. This refreshes the connection and resolves sync problems. If the problem persists, especially in family sharing scenarios, check individual Apple ID permissions. Ensure Share My Location is enabled. If all else fails, contact Apple support for personalized assistance.